We always say it is very important for you to keep learning about new things. And nowadays, learning is very easy. There are books almost about everything you want to learn. And even easier when you're using AI. You can just ask it anything and it will give you. So today I want to talk about how you can use AI. To be specific, how you can use Gemini to learn anything you want. So most people, they learn by asking specific questions. So it will be like you ask a question and AI answers, and you ask a follow-up question and AI answers. So it's like that. It's like a process. You're asking questions, AI is answering you. So today I want to show you how you can use AI to just set up a lesson so that AI prepares a lesson for you and you will just be following the lesson to see, like when you learn this, you go to this step, you go to that step, that kind of thing. So stay there and let's get into it. So you can do this either on your phone or on your PC, but in this case I'll be doing it on the PC, so I'll be using the Gemini web app. So you go to your browser, and if you haven't logged in, you have to log in using your Gmail account. And when you're logged in, this is what you see. For you to be able to create the lesson, like I'm saying, here's where you go. On the left side, you see that it's saying notebooks, and you have to create a new notebook. So if you haven't created any notebooks, it will give you an introduction to notebooks, like what are they, what can you do. So it is saying you can have like group chats. Okay, you can group your chats by topic. Instead of you having a bunch of topics here, you can put them in notebooks. Like when you want to talk about, let's say sometimes you ask Gemini about farming, sometimes you ask it about businesses, sometimes you ask it about health. You can group those, so you can have a notebook that you only talk to Gemini about farming. You can have a notebook you only talk it about other things. Yeah, so with notebooks you can also upload sources. For example, you want to learn about something, so let's say you have a book that is 1000 pages about, let's say, biology. You can add that book as a source so that when Gemini is teaching you, it should be taking things from that book. You can also set custom instructions to your notebooks. So without further ado, let me get started so that you should see. So here we have, what are you working on? You can organize your ideas, or you can study and learn. So today I want to show you about study and learn. So what do I want to study about? I will put, for example, digital marketing, and it says to get your digital marketing notebook set up, I need a bit more info to customize it. So Gemini wants a little information, like what do I want to do, what am I trying to achieve when I learn this. So I will say I want to be managing different, okay, let's say Facebook pages, for different businesses as a side hustle. Okay, so it says, got it. I've set your goal to Facebook page management for businesses. We'll focus on content strategy, audience engagement, and page analytics to help you launch your side hustle. So now it has updated the notebook. So when I click view updated notebook, here's what you see. If you want to add sources, like I said before, you can click here, and when you add the sources, it will update the lesson, and it will give you the new one. So here you can first start by discovering your strength, like what do you know about digital marketing already before Gemini starts teaching you. Or you can just get started by clicking these lessons step by step. For example, this one is like setting up a business page, planning and creating content, managing community engagement, and here you have all lessons. And if you click see more, you see that it has created all these lessons, and these lessons will be updating when you're learning. So about the quiz, you can take the quiz to see what you already know, like I said. So let's just go through it fast. So Gemini will prepare almost 15 questions to ask you. A client Facebook business page is underperforming in local organic search results despite having the exact business name address filled out. Which optimization step would you most like to improve their discoverability via Facebook's net research engine? So you answer these questions. So I'll just go through them to and when you're answering, if you click on the wrong answer, it will highlight the correct one and explain the answer to you. So I've scored 6 out of 15. So here's it will now ask you to view updated notebook. So it is updating the lessons, and the good thing, when you take the quiz, it comes up with this like a scale. Like right now, from the questions that I've answered, I'm like 30% there to learn digital marketing. Like I'm good 30%, but I was just picking random answers. So it will tell you your strengths, the areas you should focus on, and what else you haven't started. And the lessons, like it will tell you which one you should prioritize. So for example, for this one, it says I should prioritize page info and branding elements, call to action optimization, access and permissions management. So let's say, for example, page info and branding elements. Yeah, so it will tell you everything about that. So you read through whatever Gemini is saying, it will give you everything, and from there you can keep asking questions if you didn't understand something. So that's it. You can go back to do other things, and your notebook will always be here, and you always find it where you have left it. If you want to start another lesson, you can have another lesson. So you can have several lessons here, and yeah. So that's how you can use AI to your advantage. That's it for today. Like this video, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. You have been with me, King Kelly, and this is Cheers with King Kelly. Until next time, see you.